Hey guys, this is ABC for Kids Enthusiast of VHS here, and today I'll be showing you my Budgie the Little Helicopter VHS collection. Let's get started. First up with Who's a Clever Budgie, 1996 VHS. This is the first Budgie Little Helicopter VHS ever to be made here in Australia. This covers 17442. Here's the front. Spide, provides Budgie the Little Helicopter, and the back. Here's the video. Last up with Budgie barges in, 1997 VHS. This camera's 100771. Here's the front. Spide, provides Budgie the Little Helicopter, and the back. Here's the tape. Inside cover shows other Budgie the Little Helicopter videos available to buy. I've got Who's a Clever Budgie, which is right here, and I'll later get Surprise Surprise. To complete my whole entire Budgie the Little Helicopter VHS collection, because there were only 3 Budgie the Little Helicopter VHSs only released by ABC for Kids. But anyways, I better go now and peace out.